In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a star like the one you see on the screen right now. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and delete the example that I've made. Then to make a star, simply head over to the top left corner of the screen right here and under Shape Tools, click on Star. Then simply drag and drop. In order to keep it proportional, simply hold down Shift and just expand it as big as you want the star to be. Now, when it comes to the default shape of the star, this is what it looks like. Of course, you can change it as you wish. So if you don't like the shape or you want it to be rotated at an angle, you can either do that. Or if you want to change the shape, take a look on the right hand side here. There are plenty of different options that you can do. So for instance, if you want the star to have uh, more edges. So for example, let's say you want to have it 10. So this is a star with 10 edges, maybe for a Christmas tree design or something. Then you can do that. You can also rotate to whatever angle you like. You can change the width, obviously the size of it. You can also change the rounding of the edges right here. So let's say that we don't want it to be sharp. We want it to be 10, just like this. And now the star has round edges. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's everything you need to know about how to make a star in Figma. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to help.